Okay, on your Renpho air purifier, if for whatever reason you see that it gets stuck on red, which is a pretty common problem with the Renpho, what I want you to do is power it off and then unplug it from the wall. Give it about 5 minutes, plug it back in, see if that fixes your issue. Try holding down the filter button for 5 seconds and see if that will fix the problem. And if you haven't done so already, I'm sure you have, but clean the filter. Turn it around, and it's going to expose this here on the bottom. And what you want to do is you want to turn it clockwise, and you have to put a little bit of muscle into it. So turn and then lift. That's going to expose the filter, and you can see here it's doing a great job catching the cat hair. You have a calico. So what you want to do is get your vacuum cleaner. Next, we put our filter back in, and we want to tighten it clockwise this time. And then after you clean the filter, then hold down the filter button for 3 seconds and see if that fixes your problem. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.